Hello, Hero 8. Hello, Hero 9. Fuck off, Hero 8, and fuck off, Hero 9. Alright, YouTube, it's me, David Harry, your favourite YouTuber and vlogger. So what I'm going to do in this video is a really quick unboxing of this Hero 11. Now, it's just going to be quick because there's going to be like a bazillion of these things getting done today in the next few days on YouTube. So, you know, everyone's going to be sick and tired of these things in like 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do is hurry up because it looks like there's still some daylight outside, so I can go outside and do my very first vlog on a Hero 11. So what I'm going to do is flip this over, get my camera out, which is the ZV-1. Now you'll have to forgive me here, I can't spend too much time reframing and refocusing, but I've been having a terrible time with that autofocus on my ZV-1, so just bear that in mind as I go through this. Okay, so getting into this then, and the first thing is the memory card. As we can see there, what it was, this was actually just floating about in the box that the GoPro came in. So yeah, that was just like loose, like rattling around. Now, as we should be able to see there, hopefully, that is still the 32GB card that GoPro have given out for like, I don't know, forever. And the thing is as well, what it is with this now, with that GoPro Labs software, apparently you can bump up the bitrate to 200 megabits now with the Hero 11 with the Labs software. But with that thing there, you're literally going to get like about 5 seconds worth of record time out of it. So I don't know how useful that really is. Anyways, quick look around here. It's just a nondescript, like, paper bag around the GoPro box. I don't know what that's all about. So let me just get into this, okay? And as we will see straight away, other than different pictures, this is just going to be exactly the same as like all the other GoPro unboxings for the last 2 or 3 of them. So what I'm going to do here is just flip around the box, and as I do this, just kind of pause and whatnot and have a look at what's on the box and that. I'm not going to go into all the like bump on the box and that's just not worth it because I'll be covering all this in my videos. And then there's the other side of the box there as well. Nice picture of the GoPro with a cloud on it and stuff like that. And then there is the other side of the box as well. Now I'm not going to show you the underneath, and that's only because it's got like serial numbers and whatnot on it, and I just can't be arsed doing any post-production and trying to blank anything out here. So let me just get into this. Okay, so there we go. And once again, the very same type of GoPro case that we get for these things, which I'll have something to say in a second when I look inside it, because let's see, yeah, it's exactly the same as the other ones anyway. So as we can see there, your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, so I've got to go through all that messing around first before I can even use it, which is cool. Let me just get the actual GoPro out the way. So in the box here, we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable for doing like your charging and stuff. I think you can also use that for data, for passing like your files through to a computer and stuff. Also, we still get, oh wait, there's the new battery there as well. That's cool. I'll have a look at that in a sec. But we still also get the same array of what I consider to be pretty useless adapters for the likes of vloggers and stuff. Really, GoPro should be giving us something in these packages which are more akin to something that a vlogger would also want to use, or at least give us the option for it. And then, let's see, let me just pop that out there, and there's the screw there as well for the GoPro fingers. Okay, so let me get that out the way. Now that thing there, that's just a bit of card that. And if you think that that is how you're going to be able to transport your GoPro around and stuff while it's in your backpack and all the rest of it, forget it. That's going to fall to bits in 5 minutes. Okay. Now what we've got here is like some bump here, you know, I don't know, like, you know, product questions. Well, my only question here is, does this work? Right, so there's a bunch of things there that nobody's interested in. Now that box there, if you were to just throw all your stuff in there and, you know, whatnot, and have it all laying around and flapping around like that, like crazy as you're running around and stuff with your backpack or whatever on, that's just going to damage the camera. I really do think GoPro by now should have updated the inside of this box to have had some kind of bespoke kind of like die cut foam in there, which would make it extremely useful. As it stands, it's just a box. Okay, so let's get that out the way. Now, as far as the Hero 11 itself is concerned, let me get closer to the camera. I keep forgetting. Right, so let's see. Let me just whiz this little paper thing off the edge here. Oh, get off, will you? Right, there we go. So as we can see, oh, well, let me just take these tabs off and stuff. So there's obviously tabs to protect the front screen and also the lens there. So let me get them out of the way. And then there's one on the back as well. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Well, thank you again, GoPro, because I've only just read that about a minute ago on that stupid card you've got in the box. So let me get that off there. Okay, and then if we have a little dig into here, inside there, that's where your battery goes, if you didn't already know. And there's also a slot there as well for your SD card. So on that point, let me just pop the battery in, and then let me just close that over. And just quickly, before I go any further, hold on. Right. There's a Hero 11. Hero 11 and a Hero 9. So the thing is, people keep going on about how the Hero 11 is the same physically as the Hero 9. Well, don't forget, you know, it's sorry, they keep going on about the Hero 11 being the same as the Hero 10, but don't forget, it is the same as the Hero 9 as far as the casing and everything is concerned. There literally is no real discernible differences there, none whatsoever. So if you've got a 9 or a 10, the 11 is identical physically. I mean, I don't know, on the 9 there, that's got like a different colour for the logo and the 11 doesn't, but you know, aside from that, it's exactly the same box and case and everything. Okay, so I think what I'll do here is just switch it on, but I don't even know whether it's worth me doing this. Let me just try this now, but it's only going to bitch and moan about wanting to be updated and stuff. Give us a sec. Oh, GoPro, nice fancy logo. Hold on, hurry up, get to it. There we go. Let's see. I'm English, or I speak English, or I try to. Legal stuff by using this GoPro. Blah, blah, blah. Go on. Let's see. Turn on. No, I don't want to put that on just yet. SD card checking. Okay, there isn't an SD card. Well, I know that because I didn't put it in yet. Hold on, give us a second. Okay, so I finally managed to get the software on, but it was a real pain in the arse, it was, because I've just had to try and like do all kinds of mad, crazy stuff with my iPad to get it on. It literally took me forever to do, and part of that was actually doing a manual install of the actual like firmware and software as well. Anyways, give us a second. Okay, so there we go then. That was my unboxing for the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. And as we can see here, I've got it now on my pistol grip to go and shoot out and do my first vlog on it. Now, the thing with this video, it wasn't really about the unboxing. It was just to let people know that I've got it now. And I will be doing a ton of videos about it. I've already had some comments as well to previous videos asking me to like test certain things between this and the Osmo Action 3 when I get that and whatnot. So if you're into that kind of stuff, defo sub to the channel and get on that bell notification icon thing to be notified of future videos. Anyways, I'm going to dive off out now and do a quick vlog with this. So the vlog should go up at the same time as this video. So yeah, just go and check the vlog video as well, just to see what my first impressions are of this, basically on its own with its internal mics and as basically out of the box and as automatic as possible. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.